Welcome to the demonstration of NuOCR. In this video, we'll discuss what NuOCR is and how it can help your enterprise simplify document digitization and data organization. NuOCR is a paper-to-digital optical character recognition (OCR) solution that extracts information from files like images, PDF documents, forms, surveys, or invoices, validates it, and classifies it in the company's database or Excel sheet. NuOCR helps simplify data extraction from documents and organizes all the information you need from those documents. The system helps you extract data from images, PDF documents, or any document format. After extraction, you can verify the data on the platform, edit it, and organize the extracted data. And then, it lets you save it to the database or export it as a CSV file. Let's see how this process is done. Log into NuOCR with the credentials. On logging in, you'll see the pre-built template and the Own Template tabs. Let's see how you can create your own template. The Own Template tab is used to create custom new forms and extract details from its filled-out copies. Click on the Build Your Own Template button. You'll be directed to the OCR template page. Here, you can upload your custom forms and annotate sections on it for data extraction. Click the Add Files button and upload a form to use as a template. The document has been uploaded. Here, you can annotate the fields for data extraction and provide the field name in the pop-up box, in this case, carrier. Let's annotate another field, the date field, and give it the name date. We've now annotated two fields, and let's save the form. Let's save it as commercial insurance and click OK. The document is now saved and you're redirected back to the home page. Now, let's see how NuOCR allows users to extract data from their documents. To view the document you uploaded, click on Own Templates and from the drop-down box, select Commercial Insurance. The preview of the form you uploaded will appear, and now you can upload the filled-out document. Upload the document by choosing File. I selected a JPG image file and clicked on Open. Once the file is uploaded, the Start Recognition button is enabled. The system recognizes the fields for data extraction. Once data is recognized, the result will appear in an editable format. The data extracted from the two annotated fields has been recognized and listed in this section. The first is Marketing Company and the next is Date. The NuOCR system allows you to verify and edit this data so you can correct any errors in the recognized fields. NuOCR also allows you to save or export the recognized values. Here, we'll export the results and see what happens. Let's click on Export and the file has been exported. And you can see it below here. When we click on it, here it opens our recognized data organized in a spreadsheet. The different field values have been exported in separate columns. The data is organized, making it easy to use. This simple system by NuOCR helps enterprises save time and costs and improve data efficiency. Thank you.